I am Hoody, and today welcome to Cooking with Hoody. Today we're gonna make some cookies. We're gonna be cooking some cookies. How I don't remember. So for this cooking recipe, you will need these following items: chocolate chips, baking soda, flour, vanilla thing, butter. Now that we have our ingredients, we're gonna follow the recipe that I have on this piece of thing. Okay, so step 1, preheat the oven. How did I do that? Okay, let's preheat the oven. Done, I think. Probably. The oven is actually preheated already, so good job. We take this bowl. This is a bowl. We put the butter. We put 1 cup of butter. So you take 1 cup of butter and you pour it in here. Done. Then you take 1 cup of, is this one? This is 1 cup. Yeah, this thing, I think, is it? Yes, you take 1 cup of brown sugar. I think this is brown sugar. Yes, this is probably brown sugar. Oh god. Yeah, probably 1 cup of the brown sugar, half a cup. This is not half a cup. Half a cup of normal sugar. Ooh. Then you take a tiny bowl and you bring 2 eggs. Don't fall. You take an egg and you crack it on the egg. I've got some practice. You take another egg. Oh, you failed. That's how you crack an egg. Then you mix the eggs, because egg mixing. Okay, once your eggs are yellow, you put them in the rest of it, and you put vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Perfect. Now once you have this, then you take another bowl and flour. 2 cups of flour. Whoop, there's flour right now. 1. Oops. This bowl, not this one. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Yay. Now, half a teaspoon salt. Perfect. I think it's working because it smells a lot like cookie dough. It looks a bit like cookie dough. I want to eat it, but I'm pretty sure I'll die from that. Or get sick, but I'm already sick, so. Oh. Now, this looks like cookies, cookie dough, smells like cookie dough, looks like cookie dough. It is cookie dough. So now I take whatever this is, that I think it's cookie dough, and we put it on metal plate, then we put it in the stove. Do we answer the phone? They said we don't answer the phone. Okay, cookies. Now it's time to make these into cookie-ish shape. So we take cookie, 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 cookie. Cookie. Okay, so I have, wait. I have the basic cookie-ish layout thing, but I have a bit more here, but that's nothing like me and a spoon can fix. Okay, so now that we have the cookie thing, we can put it in the stove. Now we wait 10 minutes and we'll be done with baking the cookie. Yay!
Moi je voulais faire de la raw cookie dough. Je vais en faire.
Ghost spoon. We can't see a thing. Oh god. We succeeded. Ah. Ah. Woo. That concludes cooking with Hoody. We did those things. Hooray.